This is the first video in the series of videos on how to create a quick and dirty test sandbox on Oracle-based database service. This can be used also for development purposes. You can have any base database service. This is one example here you can create. And this was just created. It's up and running. You go to the nodes and take the public IP address to connect with SSH to using the key you downloaded when the base database service was created to create to the node of the base database service. I'm also creating some IP forwarding tunnels for my SSH connection. I'm going to explain why I'm using this tunnels in the next videos. Let's connect to the host. And the first step, which is going to be explained, shown in this video, is how to prepare the environment with the package repositories you need in order to create the development environment. The only thing you have to do is to get this script from the bit.ly link, which is called package repository sh. Let me show you, and then you just need to run it with source as OPC user as I connected to the environment. And this is it now. We have the package repositories installed and all the packages required for the sandbox prepared on the machine. I'm going to give you the wget command with the link in the video description.